Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to download Parrot OS and run on VM VirtualBox. So firstly we will search Parrot OS in Google. Under the Parrot security, click on downloads. So this page will appear. Now click on downloads. It will take 4.8 GBs of space. So it has started downloading. In my case I have already downloaded, so I will not download it again. Simply click on cancel. It will look like this. 4.75 GBs of space. Okay, so now download VM VirtualBox. Search VM VirtualBox and click on Oracle VirtualBox, or simply click on Downloads. Now click on Windows as host. It has started downloading. I've already downloaded this setup and run. It will look like this after that. Just click on this. This dialog box will appear. Click on New. Add the name Parrot and click the destination you want to set this VirtualBox. In my case, I will click on new folder. It is the Linux type and version is Debian 64-bit. Next. Oh, now we will select the RAM. I will recommend 2000 RAMs is enough. Don't change this setting. This this also don't say disturb this also. And now select the size you want to provide to your virtual machine. I will recommend 20 GBs of space is enough. Or if you are not installing this, you can simply mm, add 2 GBs of space. Okay, so create. So our machine has created. Now we'll add the folder which we have downloaded. In general, select advanced. In share clipboard, click on bidirectional. In drag and drop, also click on bidirectional. Nothing in these folders. Now in system, add the processor to 4 CPUs. In display, a- increase the scale factor to more than 4 bars. Nothing in these. Now we'll add a file. Click on this empty file. Add, select the disk icon. Choose a file. So this file we have downloaded. Now we'll click on this and open. So this has added to the controller. Now click on OK. Okay, so we are good to go now. Click on start. It will take some time, but it will start. Now try install. Firstly it will try, then after that you can install this. Change view to full screen mode. Switch. You can skip to time lapse. So it has started. Now if you want to install this, just click on install Parrot. So here you can install this. In my case, I have not added much space. It requires at least 15 GBs of space, but I have already provided 2 GBs of space. So you can continue installing this Parrot. Okay, thanks for watching.